Welcome to the Daily Message. As I said yesterday, throughout this week, I'm going to address some of those conditions that hold us back in the spiritual lives. Some of the ways in which we defeat ourselves. Some of the ways in which we inflict spiritual paralysis upon ourselves. And the dynamic that I want to talk about today for just a minute is fear of failure. We have all had to confront that fear at one time or another. Some of us, when we're considering whether to go get that college degree, we think to ourselves, can I do it? What if I'm just not smart enough, or if I flunk out? We have a fear of rejection when considering a new relationship or friendship. We sometimes don't want to go for a new job or a promotion within our job because we're afraid that we're going to hear no. Fear of failure holds us back from all that we can be as human beings. And fear of failure, as a result, holds us back from being everything that God made us to be. What I'm talking about here at root is risk-taking. And there are times in our lives when we just have to step up to the plate and take a risk and confront our fear of failure. Taking a risk is a sign of our faith in ourselves. And risk-taking is a sign of our faith as well in the God who made us. And so our fear of failure can be something that defeats us, something that holds us back, something that prevents us from advancing in the spiritual life. Thank you for watching. Again, have a good day.